Good morning, students. Myself, Kosa teacher from Parasinis High School. Today, I will assignment work standard 9 subject moral science. Question number 1. How do we come to the know about a man? इसका आंसर है a man is known by the company he keeps. How much influence do our companions have on us? Good companions leaves a good influence on us, while bad companions tempts us to vice. Now repeat the question. How much influence do our companions have on us? इसका आंसर है good companions leave a good influence on us, while bad companions tempts us to vice. Question number 3. What did the two friends do once? इसका आंसर है two friends once bought a parrot each. Now repeat the questions. What did the two friends do once? इसका आंसर है two friends once bought a parrot each. Question number 4. What did two of the parrot do? One of these parrots swore and cursed a lot, while the other was always repeating passages from the Bible which he had heard. Now repeat the question. What did two of the parrots do? One of these parrots swore and cursed a lot, while the other was always repeating passages from the Bible which he had heard. What was the vexed problem? He discussed the vexed problem with his friend. Now repeat the question. What was the vexed problem? He discussed the vexed problem with his friend. Question number 6. Where were both the parrots loaded for several days? इसका आंसर है the friends agreed and both the parrots were loaded in the same cage for several days. Now repeat the question. Where were both the parrots loaded for several days? The friends agreed and both the parrots were loaded in the same cage for several days. What happened to the good parrot? The good parrot was heard uttering profanities and false words like the foul-mouthed parrot. Now repeat the question. What happened to the good parrot? The good parrot was heard uttering profanities and false words like the foul-mouthed parrot. What is the businessman always doing? Businessman always work hard and loves his family. Businessman always groaning and gripping about the everything. Now repeat the question. What is the businessman always doing? Businessman always work hard and loves his family. Businessman always groaning and gripping about everything. What are the desires of the writer when he writes? इसका आंसर है the desire of the writer that always when he writes he asks something if he only had this he would be happy and when he gets the wants something else. Question 10. What is contentment? Contentment might be called the fruit or results of pretense with respect to positions. Now repeat the question. What is contentment? Contentment might be called the fruits or results or pretense with respect to positions. Where does the missionary work? The missionary worked in the jungle very far from his home and his own people. Now repeat the question. The missionary works in the jungle very far from his home and his own people. Does he eat rich meals? No, he eat not rich meals. He has to eat poor food. Now repeat the question. Does he eat rich meals? No, he eat not rich meals. He has to eat poor food. What kind of man is content? A man is content if he is not disturbed at his limitation, physical or mental. He is satisfied with what he has. Now repeat the question. What kind of man is content? A man is content if he is not disturbed at his limitations, physical or mental. He is satisfied with what he has. Is perfection easy to attain? इसका आंसर है no, perfection not easy to attain. Why is a man of culture so near perfection? A man of culture is so near perfection because he is very close to God and very close to men. Now repeat the question. Is perfection easy to attain? No, perfection not easy to attain. Why is a man of culture so near perfection? A man of culture is so near perfection because he is very close to God and very close to men. What are some of the moral values? Honesty, truth, goodness, sympathy, mirari, purity, integrity, and considerateness for the poor are some of the moral values. Now repeat the question. What are the some of the moral values? Honest, honesty, truth, goodness, sympathy, mirari, purity, integrity, and considerateness for the poor are some of the moral values. What are the two qualities of fine character? Punctuality and discipline are two surest qualities fine characters. Now repeat the question. What are the two qualities of fine character? Punctuality and disciplines are the surest qualities fine character. What does the lesson tell you about selfness? Selfness or procrastination is the thief of time. If you are to post a letter, to keep on engagement, or reach your school or your office, your punctuality will bring you rich rewards. What should be students do to be ideal student and good citizen? A student must be punctual if he is to be an ideal student and a good citizen. Now repeat the question. What should a student do to be ideal students and good citizens? The students must be punctual if if he is to be an ideal student and a good citizen. What can patriotism to do Xerox? The feeling of patriotism can change Xerox into heroes, murderers into martyrs, and sinners into the saints. What does the note remember patriots like? The remember patriots like Rana Pratap, Shivaji, Madan Lal, Dhingra, Bhagat Singh, Udham Singh, Kartar Singh, Sarabha, Rajguru, Jhansi Ki Rani, and many others. Which is the longest and the shortest thing in the world? The word is the longest and shortest, the swiftest and slowest, without which nothing can be done. Now repeat the question. Which is the longest and the shortest thing in the world? The word is the longest and the shortest, the swiftest and slowest, without which nothing can be done. What is man's not precious asset? That is indeed man's most precious asset, his richest legacy. Now repeat the question. What is man not precious is asset? That is indeed man's most precious asset, his richest legacy. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct from the brackets. यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट में आंसर दिया है, आपको चूज करके ये फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स भरना है. ओके. Thus a gentleman will never pain other by easy appearance. फर्स्ट में क्या आएगा? appearance. There is a complete dignifications in morals. सेकेंड में क्या आएगा? dignifications. There are double standards in social behavior. There are double standards in social behavior. Punctuality is coming to a place at the appointed time. नंबर 4 में आएगा punctuality. Patriotism means love of one's country. This valuable maximum indeed illustrates our point beautifully. Man is considered to be the best creation of God. Manners are the external decorations of man. Manners play a very important part in human life. Honesty, intelligence, reliability are important ingredients of character. Okay, now moral sciences assignment is complete. Okay, bye.